All right, YouTube, this is episode 5. This is this sanding. Man, I tell you what, this is definitely not my favorite part. So I am beyond filthy. You could see the layer of fiberglass shavings all over me. If you ever wanted to see what I would look like with white hair, definitely now's the time to take a look. So let me do real quick flip around of the camera. Okay, as promised, this is me with white hair and not much of it. So back to the business. Okay, enough of that falling out white hair. So yeah, so here's where we're at. So my phone will focus here. It's a little dark, so here we go. So yeah, so basically what I did is I took the sander. So yeah, so basically this is where we're at now. So I finished up sanding. Let me turn on my flashlight there on my phone. Maybe that'll help with the focus because it's going nuts. So yeah, so basically here's where we're at. We're finished sanding and I've got both of them completely sanded. I went around with a small flashlight to try to shine on anywhere that I could get any type of reflection, because you definitely don't want any shiny spots when you get ready to do your primer. And I can already see, stepping back, there's a little bit of shine right here. So after I finish filming this, I'm going to go ahead and touch that up a little bit. And so yeah, so I may decide to reshoot this because my phone is literally losing its mind. I guess it's because it's low light, but I hate it when cameras can't figure out where the focal point is. I would almost rather not even post a video than have to deal with autofocus going bizarre and just all over the place. So just to try to summarize this real quick in case I use this footage, both SeaDoos are completely sanded. They're as sanded as good as I'm gonna get them, minus that maybe that one other spot that I just noticed. But like I was saying a moment ago, I went around with a flashlight and tried to make sure there weren't any shiny areas on the actual fiberglass at this point. And I think I've pretty well got them all to an absolute bare minimum. Now keep in mind, there's a lot of stuff that you see right now that won't even be exposed once the seat and the side panels and, you know, obviously the handlebar setup and all that stuff is put back on. So I'm not too terribly concerned about this general area here, or, you know, that area over there. You know, sure, it'd be nice to completely strip these down and take every single piece off and do a high-end professional paint job, but let's face it, you see where these are at. This is my garage. You know, these are 20-year-old jet skis. I'm not trying to make them look like they rolled off the showroom floor. I just want to give them a facelift and some fresh paint, some shine. And, you know, a lot of times, you know, everybody says, oh, just, you know, do a little wet sand on that original gel coat and the shine will come right back. And, you know, I've tried that several times on 20-plus-year-old skis and just have not had good success. And personally, anything above the waterline, I think is fine just to repaint as long as you do it right. Primer, give it a chance to set, do some sanding on that, several coats of top coat, and then make sure that you do several coats of clear, as well as if you want to do some wet sanding on the clear to try to get any, you know, orange peel out, fine. But at the end of the day, if you do enough coats of the top coat of clear, you're going to be fine. Again, because everything that we're talking about painting is above the water line. It's not taking abuse of the water constantly, you know, while on the lake or the ocean. So yeah, so again, these are both going to go black. I'm going to go pick up my spray gun. So this time I'm actually decided I'm going to use the Black Widow spray gun from Harbor Freight as opposed to doing a typical rattle can. Now I do have rattle can clear coat because I'm going to leave a link in the description. I've got this 2X clear coat that has got near perfect rating on Amazon. And you know, one of the reasons I want to make sure I do this properly with the clear coat this time is to make sure there's no issues with any gas overspray, or if you overflow the tank a little and you have any gas bubble back up on the paint, you want to make sure that's fully covered and protected. And I want to make sure that I put plenty of clear coat this time. So literally I've got a 6-can set. I can't imagine it would take more than 3 whole cans per ski, but who knows, I may decide to order another set of that. I may get, a total of 12 cans, 6 cans per ski. We'll just kind of see how far it goes. But a couple things I still need to decide on before I actually paint. Now, one of the things that I have noticed that's very apparent is now the entire garage has got a nice coat of everything I sanded off. So before I get ready to paint, I'm gonna pull everything out of the garage. I think my video just cut out on me. So really the only thing I've got left is the seat covers, which are gonna be very easy with my pneumatic staple gun that I now have, and that makes super quick work of those. And I know that because I rebunked a trailer that I just sold a buddy, and that carpet literally took like all of 30 minutes to do 4 bunks. Seat covers have to be done, handlebars have to be done, and then finally, once everything is done, we're gonna put a nice wax job, polish everything out, buff it up, buff the holes, and we're gonna make these things look right as rain. So make sure to subscribe to this playlist if you haven't already. And again, thank you so much for stopping by. Stay safe, have a fantastic day, and we'll see you in the next video.